In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on LearnDash. First things first, head over to your WordPress admin panel, and from there, navigate to LearnDash LMS, and then click on Courses. Once you're on the Courses page, you'll notice an option to add a new course. Click on Add New, and let's begin creating your course. Now, it's time to fill in your course details. Start by giving your course a clear, captivating title. Something that immediately tells potential students what they're going to learn. Right below, add a description or overview of the course. This is your chance to outline what students will gain from the course, any prerequisites they need to meet, and what kind of journey they can expect. Next, set a featured image. This is important as it will appear in course listings and the course page itself, so choose something that visually represents your content well. You might also want to tweak the permalink or the URL slug here to ensure it's clean and easy to remember. Now let's move on to setting your course access and other settings. You need to decide how students will get access to your course. You have several options. Open, free, which requires enrollment, buy now, recurring payments, or closed, which might mean manual or group enrollment. Alongside this, consider the course progression type. Would you like it to be linear, where students must finish each lesson in order, or freeform, where they can jump around to different lessons as they please? Once your access settings are squared away, head over to the Builder tab on the course editing screen. Here, you'll add structure to your course. Start adding lessons, and optionally, break them into smaller topics if needed. Don't forget about quizzes, which can either be associated with particular lessons or topics, or you might want to include a final quiz at the end of the course. If it helps with organization, use section headings to make your course layout more digestible. The interface allows you to easily rearrange lessons, topics, and quizzes by dragging and dropping or using directional arrows. Under the main course title and featured image, you can enhance your course page by adding supplementary content like an engaging introduction, real-life testimonials, or multimedia content such as images and videos. Use the WordPress editor, whether it's Gutenberg or your preferred page builder, to make this content appealing and welcoming. If you're short on time or seeking efficiency, consider using the Course Create Wizard. If you have a YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia playlist that aligns with your lessons, simply input the playlist URL, and LearnDash will automatically generate lessons for each video in your playlist. Alternatively, the Course Outline Builder can provide AI-assisted suggestions for structuring your course outline. Let's talk quizzes and assessments next. As you add quizzes, pay attention to setting the right questions, the passing criteria, possible time limits, and so forth. Decide whether these quizzes should be part of the lessons or saved as a final challenge at the course's conclusion. Before you go live, save all your hard work as a draft. This is your chance to review everything, make necessary adjustments, and polish any edges. Once everything looks perfect, hit Publish. Based on the access settings, your students will finally see your course. Now, if you selected the Buy Now or Recurring option for access, set up your payment gateways. Make sure options like Stripe or PayPal are active in your settings. Otherwise, it could interrupt enrollment. In the final step, display your courses and ensure seamless navigation for your students. Use LearnDash blocks or shortcodes to present course lists or grids. Also, confirm that the navigation and student dashboard are operational, enabling learners to track their progress conveniently. And there you have it. Your course is all set and ready to engage eager learners.